and voila, there you have it, guys. This particular method is way much more easier, it is way much more shorter, and you can be able to use this particular approach to add custom fonts in a very simplistic way. Hi, in this video I'm going to show you two very simple methods which you can use to upload custom fonts on Canva. Please do bear in mind that this particular approach is only available to Canva Pro, Canva Edu, Canva Business, in fact all Canva paid or premium users only. If you have access to any of these accounts without wasting so much of your time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so let's assume that you have your design ready and you just want to change the font to a custom font that you've already downloaded. The very first thing that you would need to do is to come right here to the side menu and you click on the edit button. Yeah, when you click on the edit button, you can click on the add new button or manage uploaded fonts a link. Okay, either of these are going to lead you right. I'm just going to show you very quickly. You click on add new button, you click on upload a font. It's going to lead you down to this pop-up screen right here. Also, when you click on manage uploaded font, it leads you directly, it's just one click away, it leads you directly to this pop-up screen where you can be able to upload a new font. To proceed, you click on add new button, and in this particular case I would like to add the thick black font. You can either upload the TTF or the OTF. If you upload the both of it, Canva is going to prompt you to make a selection of one that you would like to proceed with. For this, I'm going to proceed with the OTF, yes, and then I click on open. The prompt to acknowledge that I own this font, yes, I'm going to select that I own this font. Yes, and because this is the place where I actually downloaded this font was actually, it's a free site, thefont.com, where you can be able to download fonts and the rest of that. And I'm not going to be using this for any particular commercial purpose. Yeah, this is actually just for illustration purpose. All right, so I'm going to acknowledge that yes, I own the font, and you can see right there the thick black regular font has been added. All right, for me to apply this font right now, I'm just going to come right here, okay, and I was going to search for, oops, search for the font, yeah, thick black regular, okay, and there you have it, guys. You have your custom font added and applied to your design. Okay, guys, so there you have it. That's actually the very first approach which you can actually use to upload a custom font on your Canva. The second approach is way much more easier, it's way much more shorter, and you can use this any day and any time to actually upload custom fonts on your Canva. So I'm going to show you this particular approach right away. All right, so just taking so much of your time, let's dive right into it. Okay, so right there on the screen, when you have the text that you intend to add your custom font to, you click on the text, and on the top menu, you can click on font. When you click on font, the side menu is going to appear, and at the bottom of the side menu, you can actually see the button to upload a custom font, and you click on upload the font. Yes, you navigate to the position where you have your custom font, and you can select the custom font that you've downloaded, and it's going to ask you to acknowledge that you own this font. Yes, you upload anyway. All right, it's showing me that I have a conflict because I've uploaded this previously or earlier. So in this particular case, I'm just going to upload selected. All right, and yeah, I'm going to search for a font that I've added. Okay, and voila, there you have it, guys. This particular method is way much more easier, it is way much more shorter, and you can be able to use this particular approach to add custom fonts in a very simplistic way. I hope this particular video helps someone out there to explore more font options out there, to explore and expand their creativity. And holistically, I do wish you have a wonderful day.